pala. Ang dami kong daldal, naka-mute pala ako. Good evening, everyone. Happy Tuesday. How's your Tuesday? How's your week going so far? Kamusta po? Ayan, medyo matagal tayo nung huling nagkita-kita. So for those who doesn't know me yet, good evening everyone. I am Coach Nicole from ORC or Online Review Center PH, and tonight you will have a free civil service review for verbal ability. And also, I will be presenting the promo that we have right now in ORC. But before we proceed with all of those things, tanong nga muna ako, from what places are you in? Or do I have any technical difficulties on my end? Kung wala, sige paki-comment kung saan kayo nanonood ngayon, kung nasang lupalop kayo ng Pilipinas o ng mundo. Okay? Sige po, huwag mahihiyang mag-comment. I will just be waiting for your comments to check also if there's any technical difficulties on my end. If you can see, hear, see me, see my screen, and hear me clearly na walang choppy lines and staggering internet, then please comment where you're watching right now. Okay? Again, good evening everyone. Sige po. May nagko-comment ba o wala lang talaga akong nababasa? Teka nga. Okay. Meron ba? Wait. Let me check. Baka sa akin nga ang may problem. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. I can see your comments now. Okay. So, I have here Leonary. Hello po, good evening. Watching from Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte. Hello, good evening po. We have Kim from Davao del Norte. And we also have Ragudo from Mayan from Negros Oriental. Good evening, watching from Davao. Good evening, ma'am, sabi ni Ma'am Lilibet. Again, good evening po sa inyong lahat at sa ating lahat. So, bakit nga ba naka-live si Coach Nicole ngayon? Okay, una, may mga slots na po na nag-o-open sa ating online or sa portal ng Civil Service Commission. So, if you are really interested in taking the August 2026 Civil Service Examination, the exact date I think is August 9, 2026, I suggest mag-start na kayo mag-browse ng mga schedule at mga testing centers na malapit sa lugar ninyo para makasecure kayo ng slot. But Civil Service announced na mag-uumpisa ang slot application or application on May 14. So, again, may mga slots na nag-o-open. Nag-try kami kanina, may mga nakikita na kami ng slot. And usually, mahirap lang talaga i-access yung Civil Service Commission portal kasi maraming nag-o-open. So you just have to be patient, especially you have to create your own account, okay? So yan, sa mga nagtatanong po sa aming page kung nag-i-start na po ang pagre-reserve ng slot, yes, opo, yan po ang aming sagot. May mga nag-open na po na slots, pero not all, okay? Ang nakita ko na talagang maraming slots na nag-open is sa Region 5, Bicol. Because I think they started early because of the crisis there. But with NCR, may mga pailan-ilan na nag-open. So, if you really wanted to secure a slot, I suggest you start monitoring the portal para makakuha kayo. Kasi once it's closed or once na maubos yan, kahit hindi pa deadline, talagang sinasara na po ng civil service yan. Okay? So, sabi ni Flor, hello po, watching from Jose Delman, Zamboanga del Norte. Aba, ang daming mga taga Zamboanga. Good evening po. Good evening po, ma'am, watching from Tarlac. And we have Faye Del Mundo watching from Taiwan. Aba, very good Okay, good evening everyone. So right now we will start with our review for verbal ability. So, para saan nga po ba ang civil service examination? Sa mga bago pa lang po at hindi pa alam kung para saan ang civil service, ito po ay isang eligibility examination that will allow people to work on the government. Or meron naman mga nag-work na sa government and they use this one just like a license kung walang mga board exam yung mga college course ninyo, or let's say high school graduate, senior high school graduate, and then you wanted to work in the government. So, pwede magte-take po kayo ng civil service examination para magkaroon po kayo ng eligibility. Okay po? So, ngayon, before we proceed with our discussion, allow me to give you the intensive review or the premium review of the ORCPH. Okay? So, medyo ngayong ORC or ngayong August 2026, ang gagawin natin, ibang diskarte na. ORC has been known to have the intensive review na 1 month lang ibibigay na lahat. Okay? 1 month lang ibibigay na yung sa loob ng isang buwan, pagkakasyahin yung isang mga subjects or lahat ng kakailanganin ninyo for the civil service. So, since we heard your feedback at narinig namin lahat ng mga gusto ninyong improvements sa ating intensive review, now we introduce to you our premium review for the upcoming August 2026 Civil Service Examination na kung saan ang dating 1 month review ay ngayon magiging 3 months na. Actually, mag-uumpisa na pala yan ngayong May 16, 2026. So imagine, bakit po kailangan maaga mag-umpisa ng review? Again, if you are already decided in taking the civil service examination, mas maganda po na maaga tayong mag-umpisa sa review. Because imagine, you will be taking verbal ability that includes English, Filipino, numerical, general information, you have analytical and clerical. So imagine, you will be studying 6 subjects at hindi siya kasya in just a span of 1 month. So with ORC right now, we heard what you are asking us to do. Nakinig kami sa inyo. We are extending our review programs and review sessions. So from May 16 up until August 7, that includes the 3 months review and the final intensive coaching o yung final push natin, kasama na yon. You will only pay 999 pesos instead of 2499. So, 999 na lang siya. Okay? So, that's what we are trying to tell everyone. That's na mas pinahaba at mas pinalawak na review program. At mas pinarami rin ang inyong mga sessions and coaching sessions. Okay? So, may mga comment dito. Region 12 open na po ba? I'm not sure right now, pero I think may mga nag-o-open na pero pa isa-isang slot. Pero if you really wanted to be sure kung may open na, mag-open kayo ng May 14 kasi yan talaga on the dot. Mas at usually mas mabilis ang portal pag madaling araw. Watching from Tanawan, Leyte. Wow, hello po. Watching from bahay. Saan ka nakatira, Ma'am Mona? Occidental Mindoro. Si Sir Ken, Ma'am Ken. Si Ma'am Cristel, watching from Misamis Oriental. At sabi po ni Joshua Palaganas, unfair lang po yung mga nasa Senado kahit walang eligibility nakakapasok. Okay. I will not sa ibang araw natin yan pag-usapan at medyo mainit pa. Mainit-init pa ang ating mainit-init ang mga balita ngayon sa Senado o sa ating gobyerno. Well, anyways, okay, may nagtanong dito, ano po time ng review? Okay, ang time po ng review natin ay 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Usually, yan talaga yung oras, 2 hours. Pero, pagpasensyahan niyo na 'pag ang mga coaches ninyo ay talagang lumalampas sa oras, okay? Pagpasensyahan niyo na. Ang importante naman ay maibibigay ang lahat ng topics na kailangan ninyo. So, again, the review will start 7 p.m. and usually, yung synchronous natin ay 7 p.m. nag-uumpisa every Saturday and Sunday. Bakit po ganon yung klase? At bakit po every Saturday and Sunday yung tina-target? Kasi po, we understand that on Monday to Friday, you are working, pero still, meron po kayong mga gagawin. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga Mondays, magkakaroon tayo ng mga weekdays schedule pag malapit na or pag final coaching na. Okay? Pero usually, ang time talaga natin, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. May record video po ba in case na may work kami, then sa gabi kami need mag-aral? Yes po. Opo. Meron pong recorded video. That's part of the program. And usually, ginagawa na namin siya dati pa. Wherein, yung kunyari, yung 2 hours na Zoom. Anyway, ano ba yan? Teka nga. A lots of thoughts are coming into my mind. Kalma. Okay. So, una, sasagutin ko muna, may recorded video po ba? Yes. The class will happen via Zoom. So, if you will be joining our premium review, magkakaroon po, you need to download an app which is Zoom para po doon ang ating klase. Bakit sa Zoom? Pag sa Zoom po kasi tayo, nakakapag-mute and unmute kayo ng mic. You can speak, you can talk, you can ask and raise questions. And you can also turn on your camera. So para lang din tayong nasa classroom. However, sa FB Live po kasi, bukod sa naka-comment lang kayo, at the same time, medyo may delay. So, we are trying our very best to use Zoom. Okay, video, ano po tayo, live coaching po ang tawag natin doon, hindi FB Live. Live coaching. Sa Zoom po kasi walang delay. Para lang talaga kayong nasa classroom at the comfort of your home. Now, paano po pag hindi naka-attend kasi nag-overtime? Don't worry, all of the sessions, lahat po ng sessions ng Zoom ay naka-recorded at i-upload sa ating Google Drive. So you can access it anytime, anywhere you like. Only replay sa inyo na po yan. And if you wanted to download it, you can download it para kahit walang internet, pwede nyo po siyang mapanood. Okay? Sabi dito, 5 times na ako nag-take, di pa rin swinerte. Ma'am Cantila ba to, sir? Ay, Ma'am Eileen, wag po kayong mawalan ng pag-asa, okay? Kasi po, marami kaming ganyan. Actually, meron kami last time, 11 takes bago siya nakapasa. Kasi po, hindi siya naniniwala sa mga review center. So, ang ginawa niya, nagtitake lang siya, nagsi-self-review. Well, there's nothing wrong with self-review. It's just that, pag may review center po kasi kayo, meron po kayong tinatawag natin na guided studying. Hindi lang po kayo basta nag-aaral, dito po inaaral nyo yung tamang mga dapat aralin. So, hindi lang po basta nagre-review, nire-review nyo po yung mga tama at dapat nyong aralin. Okay? So, yun po ang kagandahan ng may review center. Now, if you don't like our review center, okay lang naman po. Meron pa naman madami pong mga online review center ngayon na may kanya-kanyang pros and cons. But I would suggest na mag-review center kayo guys kasi again, importante na hindi lang kayo nagre-review, dapat tama yung nire-review nyo. At usually, sa mga review center na kagaya ni ORC, which is composed of professional licensed teachers, talagang structured yung mga review materials nyo. From beginning up until the end, lahat yan naka-pattern talaga na pang civil service examination. Okay? So, ganun yung kagandahan ng may review center. Kailan po ang start, then how to join po? Okay. So, kailan po mag-start? Actually, mag-i-start na kami ng May 16. Again, early review po yan para sa mga early bird. So, from 2,499, kasi dati 2,499 yung babayaran mo for 3 months review. Ngayon, 999 na lang siya. Imagine, 1,500 discount. For the whole 3 months na yun, wala na kayong ibang babayaran. And how to join po? Okay, sige, ganito. Tuturuan kayo ni Coach Nicole how to join our premium coaching. Okay? Wait lang po. So, I will start with ang gawin niyo po, mag-message po kayo sa FB page kung saan ako naka-live ngayon. I-message niyo lang po ng Coach Nicole. Yan ang ating promo code ngayong gabi. Kasi ako ang naka-live ngayon. So, i-message nyo lang po yung Coach Nicole and automatic, alam na po ng ating admins yan na nanonood kayo ng live ngayon. Kaya, magkakaroon po kayo ng 1.5 discount. So, magiging 999 na lang siya. Okay? So, sabi ni Ma'am Cantila, opo, okay. Sabi ni Ma'am Aileen, mukhang susubok pa siya. Di ba nga, sabi nga nung iba, hanggat may 500 laban. 500, parang 680 na yung review ngayon, ay yung civil service ngayon if I'm not mistaken. Okay? How po? Message lang po kayo sa FB page kung saan ako naka-live ngayon, ORC Online Review PH, ng Coach Nicole, alam na po ng ating admins yan. Okay? Pwede na po ba mag-review center kapag naka-online appointment na sa filing ng civil service? Thank you po. Actually, Ma'am Akira, meron as of now, meron na po kaming mga reviewees. I think they're 40s to 50, 60 reviewees na kami as of the moment. Wala pang mga slot yon. Pero kasi decided na sila in taking the civil service examination. So, review na sila. Again, kasi kung decided ka naman na makakakuha ka ng slot dyan. Kasi mag-o-open na yan, babantayan mo yan. So, I suggest you start reviewing as early as possible. Okay? Meron po bang recorded video? Yes po, meron po. Lahat po ng session. Okay? Meron akong hindi nasagot dito. Ayan. Yun, June na po mag-join kasi need for money for graduation. Well, magkakaroon naman po kami ng batch 2. It's just that, yung mga sessions lang ng May, ang gagawin nyo na lang po ay babalikan. Ang gagawin nyo na lang po ay babalikan ninyo kasi may recorded naman yon. Pero kasi, mas maganda kasi kung naka-live Pero pwedeng-pwede po hanggat may slots po kami, ay i-offer po namin sa inyo. Magkaka-GC po ba? GC po ang ating magiging main classroom. And as of now, meron na po kaming GC with how many members? Okay. Pero ito po, meron na pong GC for August 2026 reviewees. Ayan po. I hope you can see. Wait lang, lakihan natin. Ayan. Ito po, may GC na po. Lahat po ng nakapag-enroll na, pinapasok po namin dito sa GC na to. Kasi sa GC po na to, nandito po yung mga coaches, nandito yung mga admin. So, if you have any questions, and usually, dito po kami hindi usually, dito po isi-send yung Zoom link kung saan kayo a-attend ng inyong mga klase. Okay? Magpapasa kami ng application sa 14, ma'am. O, nakasecure ka na ng slot, Sir MJ? Aba, very good So, Sir MJ, ang kagandahan dyan, kung secure na yung slot mo, I suggest kung mag-secure ka na rin ng slot mo sa review center. Kasi, again, limited slots lang tayo, guys, since naka-Zoom tayo. As much as we wanted to entertain everyone, we only have limited number of participants because we will be using Zoom. Okay? Mag-e-enroll po ako mamaya. Thank you. Congratulations, Sir MJ. Ayan, i-secure mo na yung slot mo, Sir MJ, para makakuha ka na ng iyong slot sa ating review sessions. And right now, allow me to introduce to you your coaches. I am very proud to say that all of your coaches are licensed professional teachers. Lahat po yan mga LPTs, okay? Actually, may nadagdag pa dyan Hindi ko lang na-update tong PowerPoint presentation ko, pero may nadagdag na coaches dyan. So, ibig sabihin, bigatin ang inyong mga coaches. Siyempre, unang-una na ako, si Coach Nicole. I will be the one handling your English verbal ability. Kasama ko si Coach Shannon. Dalawa kami na nagtutulungan for English. And then for math, you have 3 coaches na hindi basta-basta. Una na dyan si Coach Ian na isang licensed professional teacher. And then the next we have Coach Leonaline. Guys, alam nyo na yan. Kung magte-take kayo ng civil service examination, kilala nyo na yan si Coach Leonaline. She may not be a licensed professional teacher, but she has proven kung ano ang kailangan nyo para sa civil service exam. And then we have Prof. D. Okay, let passer, math content creator, the one and only Prof. D, and Math Made Easy video yung pinapagawa niya. So, for math. And then we have Coach Kevin for Filipino, and then Coach Leo, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na may additional coach. And then we have Coach Ryan for general information. So, these are all licensed professional teacher. Okay? Sige, wait lang. Ang dami na palang comment. Basahin ko muna. Pag nag-enroll po ba, dapat magbayad agad ng 999? Yes po, strictly payment first policy po kami kasi po you will be added in the GC, you will be in the GC, makikita nyo na po yung reviewers, yung mga soft copies reviewers po namin na printable. So, magkaka-access na po kasi kayo kagad. Kailan po mag-start? Mag-start na po kami this May 16, 7 p.m. Okay? Next, we have, kapag po ba sure na yung slot sa CSE, sure na po ba yon at pwede na mag-review center? Yes, Ma'am Akira. Kung sure na yung slot ninyo, na, ibig sabihin, mag-a-apply na kayo, sure na kayo na makakapag-take ng civil service examination. So, I suggest, talagang kumuha na kayo ng review center ninyo. And to be honest, natutuwa nga ako kasi may mga nagtitiwala sa amin. As of now, di ba nga dapat May 14 pa yung open, kaso may nag-open na this day, today, may mga slots na open. Pero as early as May 1, may mga reviewees na po kami. Or April, parang April last week, meron na po kaming mga reviewees. Ibig sabihin, kahit wala pa silang slot, nag-secure na sila ng review center nila. Kasi ganun po talaga dapat. Talagang dapat i-secure ninyo yung review center ninyo. Okay? Mag-enroll po ako, ma'am, na late lang ako ng pasok. Sige lang po, Sir MJ. Ma'am, paano makakapasok? Again, mag-message lang po kayo sa FB page kung saan ako naka-live ngayon para doon para maasikaso kayo ng admin. Anong i-message nyo? Message nyo lang yung promo code natin ngayong gabi, Coach Nicole, okay? Everyday po ba ang review session sa review center nyo? Sir Brevin, not really po. Opo. Bakit? Kasi po, we understood that most of our students are working individuals. So, strictly Monday to Friday, naka-asynchronous po tayo. Hindi po namin kayo aabalahin, pero may mga ipapagawa kami sa inyo, more like an assignment, mga mock test, mga assignment, mga practice test, ganun po. Now, on Saturday and Sunday, dyan po tayo may synchronous. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yun po ang inyong schedule. Yung QR code po, direct nyo po isi-send, ma'am. Yes, isi-send po ng admin namin sa inyo yan once na nag-message na kayo sa amin. Nandun po, pati po yung schedule, isi-send po sa inyo. You can just ask for a copy and then the QR also. Ma'am, ask lang po, 999 lang po lahat babayaran. Yes, Sir MJ, no hidden charges and no hidden fees. Simula May 16 hanggang August 7, hanggang final coaching nyo na yon, hanggang final intensive coaching, 999 na po yon. Okay? Paano po mag-enroll, ma'am? Ma'am Loisa, ganito po. Message lang po kayo sa ORC. Ayaw sumulat. ORC Online Review PH kung saan ako naka-live ngayon. Okay? I-message nyo lang po yung promo code natin for tonight na Coach Nicole. Pag nag-message kayo, wala na kayong ibang sasabihin, message nyo lang Coach Nicole. Alam na kagad ng mga admins natin yan na nanonood kayo ng live. Okay? Ngayon lang po ba ang 999 promo? Until slots are available, Ma'am Angel, kasi po early bird promo po talaga namin siya, okay? 3-month civil service coaching only for 999 with free final coaching, okay? March 2026 passer here. Salamat po. Ay, wow! Congratulations, Ma'am Jessril Marco. I think parang, saan ka sumali, Ma'am? Batch 1, batch 2 o final coaching? Congratulations po, o, diba? Ayan, ang talaga, alam nyo guys, kahit hindi sa aming review center, I highly suggest na mag-review center kayo. Everyday po ba? Okay, wait lang. Nag-message na po ako and palagi pong and how to enroll lang po, wala pong QR code, sabi ni Ma'am Chunalyn. Ma'am Chunalyn, sige po, sasabihan ko po na i-send po ang QR code or ma-message po kayo, baka po kasi akala nag-i-enquire lang kayo. Try sabihin niyo po na QR code para po maibigay po sa inyo kasi personal QR code po kasi yun, eh. Ma'am, wala pa akong 9 pangbayad ko lang po ito ng pagpasa ng application. Sige, Sir MJ, 'pag may 999 ka pa, 'di ba, malay mo sa sahod May 15, magla-live ako ulit sa May 15 para may promo kayo ulit. Kailan po mag-start? May 16 po ang start ng review, okay? So I think nasagot ko na lahat ng tanong. I think I can proceed with our free verbal ability discussion right now. Bakit nawala? Ayan, okay. Let's start with our item number 1, okay? So this one is analogy, mapa-prof or sub-prof, may ganito. So yung ibibigay muna sa inyo ni coach ngayon, mga sample civil service examination from previous examination. So medyo dadalian lang muna natin. Tsaka na tayo magmahihirap na questions pag medyo marami na kayo. Kasi ngayon, onti pa lang yung decided na mag-take eh. I'll be giving you 1 minute. I'll be giving you 1 minute to join at to answer this, and then after I'll be checking your answers, okay? Sabi ni Sir Lee Vincent, hello po, pwede po bang sa final coaching lang po? Sir Lee Vincent, okay? Sa ngayon, wala pa kaming plan na mag-open ng pang final coaching lang. Pero, feeling ko naman magkakaroon kami niyan. But, as a teacher and as a coach, na medyo matagal na dito sa civil service industry, I suggest, kasi magbabayad ka din naman nun eh. What's the other, onti na lang yung idadagdag mo, makaka-avail ka na nung 3 months, tas 3 months pa yun na review. Mas puno, mas siksik, mas pinalawak, mas mahabang review. So, suggest, pero kung di talaga kaya ng budget, we will keep you updated. I suggest you follow our official Facebook page para kung mag-announce kami ng final coaching, you can avail our final coaching. No problem dun, Sir Lee Vincent. Okay? Are you then answering? Sige nga. Please send in your answer. What do you think is the correct answer for this analogy? It says, DC is to Marvel as to Batman is to blank. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it A, Superman, B, Iron Man, C, Wolverine, and D, Wonder Woman? Sabi ni Ma'am Nancy, magpe-pay na lang ako pag may slot na talaga ako. No problem, Ma'am Nancy. Okay. Si Ma'am Marjorie says Superman. Ma'am Marie says Iron Man. Ma'am Mary Rose says A, Superman. Ma'am Elaine says C, Sir Christian says A. O, di ba? Bakit nagkakagulo ang taong bayan? Bakit magkakaiba ang inyong tanong? Ay, ang inyong sagot. Isa lang naman ang tanong, okay? Sige, I think we can start answering the questions. Okay, so with analogy, sa mga nagre-review at nag-uumpisa na, guys, pag sinabi nating analogy, this is word logic. Logic mo na rin siya. Kasi logi means logos, which means logic. 'Di ba? So, the first thing that you should do is do not jump on the question and then find the correct answer immediately. Huwag ganon, okay? Ang gawin ninyo, intindihin nyo muna yung tanong bago kayo maghanap ng tamang sagot. Kasi automatic, if you will see DC Marvel, o magkalaban yun. Batman, o edi si Superman yung isagot natin kasi Batman and Superman palagi yan. It's not easy. Again, word logic is one of the most trickiest question. Siya yung pinakamahirap kasi madaming mag-iisip, maraming patibong. Okay? So, if you find the analogy easy, there's something wrong. Okay? Bakit? Kasi kailangan maintindihan mo muna siya. You need first to find the relationship of the words in the sequence. Okay? So, for example, meron tayong mga different type of relationship because you have your word 1, word 2, word 3, and the missing word is word number 4. So, there are times na ang magka-relationship ay si 1 at si 2, tapos si 3 and si 4. But there are also times na ang magka-relationship ay si 1 at si 3, and then si 2 at si 4. Depende. Hindi yan given. Okay? So, you have to check and analyze the given analogy so that you will be able to find the relationship. Again, hindi kagad tayo maghahanap ng tamang sagot. Ang una nyong gagawin is to understand the question very well. That's the technique with analogy. Okay. So my question here is, do you think DC or word 1 and word 2 has something in connection? May relationship ba sila? Okay, very good. Magkalaban sila. Ma'am, parang hindi sila ang magka-relationship. Ang magka-relationship dito ay si 1 at si 3. Bakit? Because Batman is a character or a superhero in the cartoons or in the comic series DC. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap na ano ang relationship ng mga salita? We are looking for the cartoon and the hero. Right? So, dito, si Marvel, siya yung cartoon. So, ang hinahanap natin, sino yung hero na Marvel. Okay? Again, uulitin natin. I will answer the questions regarding the review center review sessions later on. Let's just focus on the questions first para alam ninyo. Okay, bakit pala may free verbal ability? Kasi so that you can see paano natin siya ginagawa sa Zoom. Dito, medyo mabababaw lang yung tinuturo natin kasi limited lang yung time natin eh. But with Zoom, we have unlimited time there. So, dun talaga mas in-depth yung pinag-aaralan. Okay? So, going back to our discussion, so dito, we can understand that the word 1 and 3 has the relationship na cartoon and hero or character sa isang movie series. And then, so ang hinahanap natin ngayon is yung hero or yung character sa Marvel. Okay? So, the question is, we need to check our options. Sino ba dito ang Marvel, okay? So, si Superman ba? Ano ba siya? DC or Marvel? Okay, si Superman po ay DC. So, hindi eliminate na kagad si letter A. Si letter B, Iron Man. Isa ba siyang DC or Marvel? Marvel. Very good. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin siya i-eliminate. How about Wolverine? Okay. Si Wolverine po ay Marvel din. Okay. So, hindi rin natin siya i-eliminate. And the next one is Wonder Woman. At siya po ay DC. Okay, very good. So, pag sinabi nating Wonder Woman, DC, automatic, tatanggalin natin siya sa ating tamang sagot. Okay? Okay, yan. So now, we have two possible answer, which is Iron Man and Wolverine. So, sino kaya sa kanilang dalawa? Okay? So, ganito kahirap si analogy. Again, guys, they're not giving analogy as a free question. So, you really have to take it step by step. Huwag magmamadali. I know one of the major problem is time. However, with analogy, you need to take your time. Okay? So, now, since we were able to eliminate two possible answer, meron na lang tayong dalawang tamang sagot na sa tingin natin pwede, si Iron Man and si Wolverine. Now, we need to choose which one is the best among the two. So, since si Batman, yung isang hero na pinag-uusapan natin, si Batman, kilala siya na to get the power from technology. Okay? Saan siya kumukuha ng powers? Wala talaga siyang innate na powers. Hindi siya nakakalipad, hindi siya nagiging invisible, hindi siya mabilis tumakbo. Ano lang ang meron siya? Marami siyang pera, tapos ginawa niya yon para mag-invest sa technology. So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin din dito ay yung ka-same hero na kagaya ni Batman, okay? Because Iron Man, if you know Iron Man doesn't have any powers. Nagre-rely lang din siya sa technology at dun sa technology ng puso niya. At yung sa suits niya, yung mga suit, nandun yung powers niya. Pero wala talaga siyang sariling powers on his own. Nakarely siya sa technology. However, si Wolverine naman ay isang mutant na kung saan innate yung power niya. Okay? Siya yung may lumalabas na mga sharp claws dito sa kanyang kamay. So, if you can see, there is a difference between Iron Man and Wolverine. At dito, mas makikita natin that the best answer we can get is letter B, Iron Man. That's why the correct answer here is Iron Man. DC is to Marvel as Batman is to Iron Man. Okay, maliwanag po ba? Ayan, sige. Babalikan ko muna yung mga comment ninyo. Okay, wait lang po. Ayan, medyo. Sige, pa-comment ako. Ilan ang nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Pa-comment ako ng CSEQT sa lahat ng nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay? Ayan, magkano po ang bayad to enter the review session? 999 lang po, no hidden charges for 3 months. 999 na po yan. Mag-umpisa na tayo ngayong May 16. Okay, good evening, Sir Sherwin. When po ito mag-start? May 16 po ang start. Okay. What else? Ayun, done payment. Thank you, Sir Jay. Sir Jay, saan kayo ng proof of payment sa GC, sa page para ma-add na po kayo sa GC, okay? DC means po Detective Comics or DC Comics na po kasi talaga siya, okay? Iron Man kasi wala naman talagang siyang superpowers. May mga kagamitan siya para maging superhero. Yes, very good. Okay. Yay, may answer na ako. Correct ako. Wow, congratulations. Ano po schedule sa review? Ang schedule po natin sa review ay mag-uumpisa po ng May 16 hanggang August 7. Usually Saturday to Sunday ang ating Zoom class. And then on weekdays, you have your mock test or civil service practice test. Okay? Ayan. Ilang hours po? 2 hours po tayo every session, every Zoom session. Okay? Sige. Next item muna tayo, tas tsaka ako sasagutin yung mga tanong ninyo. Okay? Yung tanong ninyo about sa review session. Next analogy, this is double word analogy. When we say double word analogy, dalawa yung missing na salita. Kanina doon sa analogy, isa lang. Ngayon, dalawa na siya. So again, before you answer, before you choose the correct answer, identify first the relationship of words in the sequence. So in my clock, sequence. In the clock, it's already 7:46. So by 7:47, I'll start checking your work so you can comment down your answer. Okay? And your timer starts now. Wala pa daw budget. Okay, wag kayong mag-alala. Siguro by May 15, magla-live ako ulit bago mag May 16. May 16, di na ako makakapag-live kasi start na namin yon. And I think ako yung session 1 sa May 16. So, ako yung magkaklase sa Zoom. So, um, magkikita-kita tayo sa mga nag-enroll sa ating review center. Sa May 15 naman, makakapag-live ako ulit so that you can get the promo again of 999. Okay, ganun lang yon. Okay, sige, please send in your answer. What's the correct answer for this analogy? Pasay is to Philippines as blank is to black. Is it A, Miri is to Myanmar? Is it B, Melaka is to Malaysia? Is it C is to Phuket, Cambodia? Is it D, Bali is to Laos? Sige po. Ayan. Your answers are coming in. After this item, magdi-discuss ako regarding the review center. Pero ngayon, focus muna tayo sa item so that you can get to understand the discussion of this analogy. Okay. So, in this case, you only have two words, which is Pasay and Philippines. So the missing words are number 3 and 4. Now, the first thing that you would do with a double word analogy is check kung may relationship ba si Pasay kay Philippines. Does it have any relationship? Okay, very good. Yes, there is a relationship because Pasay is a city in the Philippines. Okay, very good. So, pwedeng ang hanapin natin dito ay yung city at yung kanyang country. Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung city sa kanyang country. Okay. Let's start with Miri and Myanmar. Is Miri part of Myanmar? No, Miri is part of Malaysia. Okay, share ko na lang din para may additional info kayo that Miri is a city in Malaysia. Okay, how about Bali? Bali is not located in Laos but in Okay, very good. Indonesia. Okay, next we have Phuket. Phuket is a city in not in Cambodia but in Thailand. Okay, so ibig sabihin, we only have letter B. Melaka and Malaysia. Is Melaka a city in Malaysia? Okay, very good. That's why letter B here is the correct answer. Okay? Well, anyways, these are the easiest part of analogy. Mas marami pang mahihirap dito. Pero just to give you, lalo na yung sa mga first time takers, just to give you, ano ba, yung mga lumalabas sa civil service examination, so ganito siya. Kaya ganito yung binibigay ko muna ng mga example sa inyo. But if you are really joining the civil service examination, we will give you the full review program na kakailanganin ninyo in order for you to ace your civil service examination. So, how many of you got the correct answer? Pa-comment ako ng heart kung sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Yung mga nakakuha na talagang sila lang yung nagsagot hindi nag-search, hindi nag-chat GPT. Okay? Kasi guys, you have to be honest with yourself. Hindi nyo ako dinuduga dito. Wala kayong ibang dinuduga kundi yung sarili ninyo if you will just search the correct answer. Kasi sa civil service, no phones, no calculators, no smartwatch. You will just rely on your own, yourself. Okay? Hello, Ma'am Tantalizing Eyes. I remember you. Hello po, ayun, may mga nagko-comment na ng heart. Very good. Ibig sabihin, nakuha nila ang tamang sagot. Okay? So, ngayon, before we proceed with our discussion for the last item for tonight, balikan ko muna yung mga tanong ninyo. Okay? Marami kasing tanong sa comment section regarding sa review centers. Balikan ko lang, tas isushow ko na yung item number 3. Okay? Again, for those who are interested in joining our premium review center program, just message the promo code Coach Nicole. I-message nyo lang po sa FB page kung saan ako naka-live ngayon, ORC Online Review PH, at may mga admins tayo na naghihintay doon, okay? Pero balikan ko muna yung mga tanong ninyo. Magkano down payment, ma'am? Sabi ni Sir David. Sir David, strictly no. Payment first policy po kami. So, direct na po 999. Kasi you will be able to be joined in the GC na kung saan up until 3 months na po yun hanggang dulo. Okay? May cut-off po ba sa payment? Wala po kaming cut-off, Ma'am Lovely, until slots are available. Kasi again, we told you na limited slots lang po ang meron kami. Kasi po, via Zoom ang ating klase, hindi via FB Live. Kasi po, we wanted to have a quality form of teacher and student learning process wherein dapat po kasi naiintindihan ninyo. If you have question, you can ask questions immediately. Pag FB Live po kasi medyo may delay, so hindi po namin talaga nire-recommend. Kaya naka-Zoom po kami. Okay, time po 7 PM to 9 PM. Good evening po, ma'am. Ask ko po Region 6 when po ang registration. Check nyo na po sa portal ng civil service kung meron. Pero sure po ako by May 14 meron po yan. Kailan po yung last promo ng 999 nyo po? Until slots are available po. May subject po ba na clerical po? Yes, we have. Coach Ryan and I will be handing the clerical. And prof and sub-prof po ba? Yes po, prof and sub-prof regardless po, okay? May mga hindi pa ba ako nasagutan na tanong? Ilang minutes po per item? Feeling ko matagal po masyado. Well, actually, the way I discussed it, talagang matagal kasi tinatry ko, I am not just teaching you the correct answer. Ganito po ang ORC way of teaching. Yung mga tatak ORC, alam po nila yan na hindi po kami basta nagsasabi lang ng tamang sagot. Itinuturo po namin step by step yung strategy, yung technique, how to get the correct answer, to do the process of elimination. Bakit? Bakit matagal magturo ng isang item? So that you will be able to understand how the technique, paano yung magiging technique, para pag kayo na yung magsasagot, hindi na kayo maging time consuming. But ideally, 1 minute per one item. Yun yung pinapractice namin sa mga students namin. But again, with discussion, talagang mahaba lang yung discussion kasi we are making sure that everyone will be able to get the basic, yung pinakamadali. Okay? Lifetime na po ba? Sabi ni Ma'am, ayan, sabi pala ni Ma'am Tantalizing, hi po coach, hello po. Okay, lifetime na po ba? Hindi po, 3 months lang po. But with the video recorded, if you will download it, that's yours na po. You can just replay it. Okay? At hindi mo na kailangan ng lifetime ma'am kasi papasa ka na. Okay? I-claim na natin yan. Papasa na. Pwede po ba installment? Hindi po, payment first policy. Kailan po last promo ng 999? Until slots are available. Ma'am, what if po wala po ng Sabado? Don't worry. If you will be absent, for example, kasi nag-OT, may ginawang importante, nagka-emergency, all sessions in Zoom will be recorded and will be uploaded. So, ibig sabihin, mababalikan nyo pa siya. Okay? Sana may available slots pa May 14. Feeling ko meron pa yan until May 15. Kasi magla-live ako ng May 15. So kung mapuno man yung slots, gagawan namin yan ng paraan. May 15 magla-live ako para maka-avail kayo ng promo. At saan lang po yung class? Yes po, yung Zoom class. But yung mga asynchronous, pag sinabi po nating asynchronous kasi hindi po live, pero may mga mock test po kayo, may mga activities and assignments po kayong gagawin that will be on weekdays. Saan po magpe-pay po? Sabi ni Black Tapper. Sir, mag-message po kayo sa FB page kung saan ako naka-live ngayon. I-message nyo lang po yung promo code na Coach Nicole at alam na po ng admins natin yan na nanonood kayo ng live para maka-avail kayo ng 999 natin tonight. Okay? So do we have any other questions? Okay. Mukhang wala na. Let's proceed with our last item for tonight. Eto, okay. Eto, alam kong trending to at nakikita ninyo ito sa Facebook at sa maraming FB page kasi talagang marami. Lumalabas to sa civil service examination at maraming nahuhuling patibong dito. So I'll be giving you 1 minute to answer this question. Okay, sige po. Wala pong message button, sabi ni Ma'am Kimberly. Ma'am Kimberly, kasi yung sa update yan ng FB, ni FB. Ganito po gawin nyo, ma'am. Wait lang, show ko sa phone ko. O, kasi maraming talagang nahihirapan dyan. Okay? So, ganito po yung gawin ninyo. Punta po kayo, di ba po, pupunta kayo kay ORC. Ito, yung FB page. ORC, Online Review PH. So, pag yan po, bale, pupunta kayo sa FB page, ang i-click nyo po yung tatlong tuldok. Ayan, may tatlong tuldok po dyan sa taas. Wait lang. Marami kasing nag-i-inquire eh. Ganyan talaga pag naka-live, madami nag-e-enroll. So, eto, click nyo lang yung tatlong tuldok na yan, tapos lalabas yung message. Ayan, message lang. Tapos andyan na yan, makakapag-message na kayo. Okay? Okay, let's start with this one. So again, this is not vocabulary. This is analogy again. Single word analogy. Pero this one, maraming naguguluhan at maraming nahihirapan dito. So, dahan-dahanin natin para magets ninyo. So this one, what is their relationship? Yesterday is to tomorrow, Thursday is to blank. This is called series of events o yung tinatawag nating sequence. Okay. Ano ba yung sequence? Okay. And what is the usual sequence? 'Di ba pag yesterday, today, and then tomorrow. Yan yung sequence. Kumbaga, 'di ba? One, anong sunod sa 1? Eh di 2. Anong sunod sa 2? Eh di 3. That's what you call sequence. Now, pag sinabi nating yesterday and tomorrow, may sequence sila. So, let's assume that yesterday, syempre siya yung past. Tomorrow is the future. So, the present is what we call today. Ayan yung proper sequence niya or series of events. So, you have yesterday, today, and tomorrow, which is past, present, and then future. So, if you will be answering, pag nakita mo kasi yesterday is to tomorrow, so ang iisipin mo, kung yesterday ay tomorrow, kung yesterday ay Thursday, so ang isasagot mo, there is a probability na you will answer, tomorrow will be Friday. But that is wrong, okay? Kasi again, this is series of events. Kung yesterday ay Thursday, again, kung yesterday ay Thursday, today ay Friday, ano ang kanyang tomorrow? So, the correct answer here is Saturday. That's why letter D is the correct answer. Okay. Kasi po, series of events or sequencings siya. Again, maraming nadali ng letter C. 'Di ba? Maraming nadali. But the correct answer here is letter D. Okay. Did you get it? Nakuha po ba? Maliwanag? Papasa? Sa mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot, pa-comment ako, hashtag pasado sa Agosto 2026. Sige, comment. Let me see who got the correct answer. Okay. Meron ba? Oh, wow. Very good. Okay. So, ngayon, aba, dami nakakuha. Si Sir Harlet, Ma'am G, Sir Abraham. Okay. There's a lot who got the correct answer. Pero marami ring nadali kanina, maraming sumagot ng letter C. That's why guys, with analogy, trick question kasi siya, logic siya. So you don't have to answer immediately. You have to understand the question very well before answering. Okay? Dapat naiintindihan mo bakit yesterday yung nandun, bakit tomorrow yung nandun, and then bakit Thursday. Kailangan mabuo mo siya as one relationship word so that you will be able to get the correct answer. Pag hindi mo nagawa yun, it means there's something wrong with this. And again, if pas-share ako ng score ninyo out of 3 items, nakailan kayo? 3 out of 3 ba? And again, if you wanted more of this, kung gusto nyo ng ganitong review session, this is just the basic o yung pinakamadali naming mga review. Mas mahihirap talaga yung nasa Zoom kasi mas dikdikan ang ating pagre-review doon. So if you want more of this kind of review and it's via Zoom kung saan makakausap nyo talaga yung coaches ninyo na parang nasa classroom lang kayo, I suggest you enroll in our online coaching program. Okay? This is the schedule of our online coaching program. So, starting on May 16, medyo maliit lang at medyo blurred. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pero if you can see, starting on May 16, ayan, up until August 7. Up until August 7, imagine you will have many sessions, 'di ba? Mas pinahaba at mas pinaganda, mas pinalawak na review program. Yung mga dating 1 month lang namin na intensive review, mas pinalawak na namin ngayon. Okay? Mas marami na tayong mare-review, hindi na magsisiksik, hindi naman na knowledge overload. Then again, this will be via Zoom. So, online lang ang ating klase. Okay? Hindi kayo magko-comment doon, magsasalita talaga kayo. At may pa-recitation. Nagtatawag talaga si Coach Nicole. Ang ganda ng analogy. Thank you, Ma'am Irene. Ma'am, anong oras po ang klase sa Saturday and Sunday? 7 to 9 p.m. po. 7 to 9 p.m. Meron po ba discussion nyo about sa pagkakasunod-sunod ng story or situation po? Yes, that's what you call paragraph organization. So with paragraph organization, meron tayong technique dyan. Alam niya ng mga ating mga tatak ORC. Yan. Sa Tatak ORC, meron pong technique si Coach Nicole dyan. Very soon, if I can still fit in the schedule of live, isasama ko sa live. Pero kasi pag nag-start na po yung review sessions, talagang mahirap na pong ipasok yung pagla-live kasi busy na sa online coaching talaga. May mga quipper po ba? When we say quipper, what do you mean by quipper? Ma'am Christine, wait lang. Quipper. Ma'am, everyday po ba ang klase? So, if you can see with our schedule, pwede bang, ayan, lumaki ba? Hindi. So, if you can see with our schedule, 7 to 9 p.m. Saturday and Sunday yan. Hindi siya everyday. Bakit? Kasi po, we understood that may mga trabaho kayo at may mga kailangan i-prioritize. So, Saturday and Sunday. But, every weekdays, meron kayong assignment and mock test. Tapos, on the August, I think, asa na yun? Ito, August 1 to August 7, ito yung everyday na. So, everyday na siya. Final coaching na talaga siya. Ma'am, di po ba bitin yung schedule for review para sa mga mag-enroll sa review center nyo? Ask ko lang po. Okay. Sir Brevin, well, actually, hindi siya bitin. That's why we wanted to started early. And also, if you are familiar with ORC, last time po kasi, yung mga previews namin, 1 month lang yung review namin. It's like, sa isang buwan, talagang kasya, sumapat naman. Okay, sapat na siya sa mga students namin. May mga nakakapasa kagaya ng mga nagko-comment kanina, nagte-testimonies na nakapasa sila. Ngayon ang ginawa lang naming diskarte, mas pinahaba pa nga namin siya at mas pinatagal. Kasi, we wanted to make sure, we wanted to cultivate mga civil service top-notchers. Kaya mas pinalawak na namin yung review. If I am to compare the review programs from now sa previous namin, sa dati namin, hindi po, sobra-sobra pa po siya. Kasi dati 1 month po hindi pa kasama yung final coaching. Ngayon, 3 months na kasama pa yung final coaching for the price of 999 po yun. You can check our previous posts dati. May ganun po, 1 month po siya. And it was enough for many, pero kasi ngayon we wanted to cater many students, okay? Quipper po yung mga online quizzes. Okay. Ma'am Kimberly, hindi po kami Quipper, pero ang ginagamit po namin ay Google Form. Doon po kami nagpapa-quiz. Pero yes po, may mga practice test, may mga mock test po kayo. Okay po? Ma'am, may mga books po ba kayo sa Shopee? As of the moment, Ma'am Erica, we are still working with our books, with publishing also. Madami po kasi pinagdadaanan ang libro, hindi lang siya basta gawa and then print. Pero sa ngayon po wala. Pero we do have in our review right now yung mga online, yung mga soft copy. So if you are interested in joining our review center, meron na po yung kasamang mga soft copy reviewers. Okay? I mean online quizzes po. Yes, Sir Joe, may mga online quizzes po tayo. Yun po yung tinatawag nating asynchronous activity. Pwede ko ba siya ma-zoom dito? Ayan. Kung makikita nyo po sa schedule, may asynchronous dates. Ito po yung mga dates na kung saan meron po kayong mga exam, mga mock exam. Ito naman po yung mga Zoom coaching dates po natin. Okay? Ma'am, may books po ba sa TikTok? Wala po as of the moment. How to enroll? Sabi ni Ma'am Eden. Again, you just have to message our official Facebook page, ORC Online Review PH, and then just message Coach Nicole, okay? Use our promo code for tonight to avail the 999 in early bird promo. Coach Nicole, wala na kayong ibang ibig sabihin. Alam na ng admins natin yan. Ibibigay na sa inyo yung information regarding the review program, even the schedule. And then if you will ask for the QR, automatic. And then, automatic ibibigay yan ng ating mga admins. You just have to message our official Facebook page, ORC Online Review PH. para makasecure kayo ng slot. Tapos, once you're done paying, magsisend lang kayo ng proof of payment at makakasali na kayo sa GC. Okay? At meron pong GC which will serve as official classroom natin. Okay? O, ayan, dami na nga nag-enroll. So, kanina we started, I think, wala pang 60 kami. Ngayon, mga 81 na. So, imagine, mabilis talaga ang slot, guys. And as much as we wanted to cater everyone na talagang isama kayo lahat sa review kung pwede lang, 'di ba? Kasi po limited lang yung slots namin kasi po hindi po kami FB Live. I think that's one of our edge with the other review center kasi po naka-Zoom po talaga kami since we wanted to make sure that the teaching and learning process is very quality na para lang kayong nasa classroom. Na pag may tanong kayo, raise your hand, makakapag-mute and unmute kayo ng mic, hindi kayo nagko-comment lang, tas walang delay kasi pag sa Zoom. However, the only consequence is that limited lang yung number of participants na kaya naming isali. So, yun po. Good evening po, di ko po kayo ma-message. Sir, kasi siguro hindi nyo po makita yung message button. So, ang gawin nyo lang po, punta kayo sa FB page. Pag nandito na po kayo sa page, wait lang, lakihan ko yung screen ko para makita nyo po ako. Eto po, pag nandito na kayo sa page, dami kasing nag-i-inquire. Ang gawin nyo po, click nyo po yung tatlong button dyan. Tapos, may message. Ayan po, para po makapag-message kayo. Okay? Ulitin natin, i-click nyo yung tatlong button doon sa profile ng ORC Online Review PH. Pag na-click nyo po yan, pag na-click nyo po yung tatlong button, lalabas po yung message na button kasi po sa bagong update yan ng FB. So, ayun po. Okay? Ganun po siya. Okay? So, do you have any question, guys, before I end the live? And again, if you are interested in more of these review programs and review sessions, kung may natutunan kayo at gusto nyong magtuloy-tuloy para ma-secure at maging hashtag garantisadong pasada sa Agosto 2026, mag-message na kayo sa ating official Facebook page na ORC Online Review PH. The promo code Coach Nico, so you can avail our 999 promo for tonight. Okay? For 3 months na po yan. Mas pinahaba at mas pinalawak. Dating 999 for 1 month, ngayon extended program na tayo. Okay? I think that's for tonight. Thank you for spending your Tuesday night with me. Abangan ninyo, magla-live ako ng May 15. 5 questions yung i-ready ko. Ito's identifying sentence error yung i-focus natin. Highly requested video yon. So, on Friday, magla-live si Coach Nicole May 15. Ibig sabihin, may pa-promo, may pa-discount, at may kasama pang pa-review. So, magkita-kita tayo ulit on Friday, May 15. Tapos, i-follow nyo na rin ang ating official Facebook page para pag may mga free sessions tayo, nakaka-avail kayo kagad. Kasi hindi lang ako magla-live, minsan si Prof. D din, minsan si Coach Leonalyn, depende sa schedule ng inyong mga coaches. So, with that, thank you everyone and happy learning. See you on May 16, May 15, and May 16. Goodbye and God bless everyone. Bye!